Okay, we're just going to unbox the new Freeride FR1000 cordless robotic cleaner. So the key feature on this guy is the no cable. We've got a lithium battery, dual filter, 2.5 hour battery. That's less than 4 hour charge. This is Aqualink, or we can connect to the app there. So just looking inside the box. Okay, firstly what we've got is our hook that attaches to your pull pole. That'll hook the cleaner out of the pool if we need to. So here we have our charging dock. So this will sit in the pump shed, a little bit less sort of bulky and clunky like the caddies. So that'll simply again sit in the pump shed. It's quite a heavy charging system, so similar to your phone, we've got the cordless dock. So that's that guy. We've got our two stands. That's for our charger, and then here we have the cleaner. Cool, so first up, the thing looks great. We've got our just protective packaging, so we'll just remove all that. Very similar to all the other cleaners that you've got on the market. So we've got a fine basket in there, which will collect all your dirt and debris, leaves, etc. So this is a pretty cool function. We've got the clear lid, so we can see inside, see what's going on. So in terms of the suction, and what makes this so efficient, we've got the water coming in through the front, and then we've got it expelling through the top, which pushes that down onto the pool. So it's a nice design. So we've got our four wheels, tracks. So we've got our water intake, and then we've got some expelling water through the bottom, which will collect all the debris on the way through. It's a real simple design. Super slick. So a couple of cool features. So we've got our hook. This thing just clips onto the bottom of our base here. So that'll just sit under there. And we've got our docking charging station. So that'll just sit in the pump shed or somewhere safe and dry out of the way. Great thing with this is that we don't have a controller that's got a cable that we have to drag out with an extension lead. Have it sitting outside, water egress. We do get a lot of damage in our controllers that are sitting outside. And a couple of key functions on the bottom here. So we've got our mode, which is floor and wall and tile, or floor only. So we can change that just by simply pressing or sliding this dial over here. Our start function, start.